So I got one of these crazy Octopus curler, heatless curler overnight things, and I'm gonna give it a go because, you know, I'm all about trying new things, and I definitely do think that this is gonna work and it's gonna look absolutely gorgeous. I've seen a couple of videos, gorgeous, beautiful. I've seen a couple of videos of people using these and I'm just like, yeah, nice, like it. So I'm gonna give it a go and let's see how it goes. Got honestly so many of these little contraptions that you can do overnight, so I'm gonna do like a little series and I'm gonna try and test all of these and then report back to you guys and show you the results. So I think it'll be really cute, and I'm just kind of winging it here. I think you then tie the end around there and okay, nice, that will do. And yeah, because I'm definitely one, if I can save myself some time in the morning and use something like this, it's just going to make my life so much easier. And also, I mean, there was always that robe one and they brought out so many of those other ones, but I do quite like the fact that this, you're going to have like so many different like individual curls rather than just like one big like solid curl, if that makes sense. So I'll let you know how easy this is to like sleep in as well, because we're all about comfortable sleep. So yeah, this is looking really cute, and yeah, so we've got quite a lot here and quite a lot here. I love it. It's perfect. Looking fire. My boyfriend is so lucky. So I'm gonna go to sleep and then I will wake up in the morning and take these out and do a little reveal for you. Okay, good night. Okay, so it's morning and we are going to take these out now. This has kind of like slipped up my head a little bit, but I'm not mad at it, it's okay, like it's working. So let's start taking these out and see what kind of curl we've got. I'm so excited to see these curls. Okay. Right. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Whoa. Oh my word. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Is that not gorgeous? I mean, it's a little bit curlier than I'm used to, but these do drop, like, throughout the day. These do definitely drop. Oh my god, love it. Right, I'll start taking all of this out and we'll see how they look, because I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. And this is just going to literally be such a game changer because you can dress these out and make these look so nice. So let's see, let's see. Oh my god. I'm so pleased with that. Oh my god. We look a bit like Lucy Lou right now, but trust the process because, like I say, we're gonna brush these out. So I'll take these out and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so I have just had like a little play with them and just like was pulling them apart, just where they're obviously like so tight that I'm just gonna pull them apart a little bit. But I think it's cute. Like, I actually do think this is really cute. Like, they're a lot tighter than I would usually wear or like style my hair, but if I can just like achieve this overnight, and it kind of definitely looks like my hair styled, and yeah, I love it. And you can just like pull it out a little bit as well, especially like a nice beachy day, like you're going to the beach or something. I love it. I'm a big fan. Yeah, okay, we'll definitely be using that again.